Next, let's solve Roman number 4. Here we are given with a quadratic polynomial 4u square plus 8u. We are going to be finding out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Okay, let's solve it. Here this can be written as 4u square plus, this can be written as 4 into 2u. Here 4 is common, so I take out 4 common here, and u is common. Take out the common which has smaller power. The smaller power is u to the power 1, so I take out u here. After taking out 4u, here we are left with u. Plus after taking out 4u, we are left with 2. So 4u into u plus 2. This value of 4u square plus 8u is 0 when 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. That is, after transporting we get u is equal to 0 or u is equal to minus 2. Therefore, zeros of 4u square plus 8u are 0 and minus 2. Okay, well, now we find out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Now let's verify the relationship between the roots and the coefficient. We know that sum of zeros is equal to 0 minus 2, which gives minus 2. Leave a blank here and write, we know that the sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of u divided by coefficient of u square. Here this can be written as 4u square plus 8u. There is no constant term, so I add plus 0. What is the coefficient of u? Our coefficient of u is 8. So I write 8 here, and there is minus for the formula, and I write minus here, divide by coefficient of u square. What is the coefficient of u square? Coefficient of u square is 4. Dividing these two, minus 8 divided by 4, we get minus 2. So minus 2 and a minus 2 are equal. Therefore, sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of u divided by coefficient of u square. Next, let's verify the product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to 0 minus 2. We get 0. Leave a blank here and write constant term divided by coefficient of u square. What is our constant term? Our constant term is 0. What is our coefficient of u square? Coefficient of u square is 4. Dividing these two, we get 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of u square. Here it finishes.